Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a project share of a journal I have finished. Thoughts of Nature. It's kind of Christmas. It's not Christmas. It's winter related rather than Christmas related. It's got deer and it's snow scenes and things like that. I love this little beading on here. I think it's very pretty. So I wanted to add that. I've got a little dangle there with an acorn on. Which I think was rather pretty. Open her up again. Here we go. I tell you, if I had a brain, I'd be dangerous. You guys should be so used to me now. "30 pages. You should be so used to me by now doing this. This page I've left very blank, so you can put whatever you want on it. Again, I haven't done a huge amount of filling in because I like to leave my journal so that there's plenty of room to write on. I mean, this is a little writing spot. The love of trees. Beautiful, beautiful kit. It's beautiful. Woodland, all sorts of beautiful things. Lovely pocket. And I made some little peg out of the mushroom things just to pop on there, just for something different. Writing page there. Put some little tabs on the pages. More little ephemera. Woodland, forest, all sorts. Very cute. Little tuck spot there. The different owls. Love that. Little envelope that's in the journal and a beautiful tag there. Beautiful. Thoughts of Nature journal card. Beautiful. I've tried to leave it as plain as possible. Love of trees. Isn't that lovely? Just so that you've got plenty there to do. You don't, there's plenty of room to do lots of bits and pieces. I love these ones, these pegs. I did enjoy doing those. Lots of different journaling, cards, all sorts of bits and pieces. The beavers. More owls. Forest. Little envelopes. All sorts of little bits and pieces. There's loads of different bits. Lots more tags. They're all there to be journaled on. There's plenty of journaling for everyone to join in. And then that beautiful one there. And that's it. But isn't that a beautiful, beautiful journal? I absolutely love it. Hope you guys like it. I might add something to hold it close. I'm not sure yet, but I might do. And I'm hoping I was in focus and you could see all that. Take care. I will see you in the next video. Lots of love. Bye.